Oh.
Hey guys, Four Season Bros. So today's video is going to be how to lubricate your slider pins on your truck. Things that you're going to need to do the slider service on your truck or whichever vehicle it is. Okay, you're going to need some grease for the slides, anti-seize for your rim, a torque wrench, you're going to need a 21 deep socket, a jack stand, and then your jack, and an impact, and a 1/2 inch wrench or ratchet. That's it. After I remove my tire, I'll be pressure washing it so it's all clean for me to work on, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so this beautiful rainy day doesn't stop, but so anyways, I just finished pressure washing. I cleaned up everything around here just to inspect, make sure my brakes are good. We'll get to it. I'm going to take my 1/2 inch ratchet. I can remove the first bolt, and then I'm going to loosen the second one, but I'm going to keep it there. Remove the first one, just clean everything up. So we'll get started on that. Guys, so you got one of your 1/2 inch bolts here, and your other one is directly under it. The bottom, okay? So I'll remove this one first. Or you can go ahead and loosen the other one as well. We'll remove this one. Right. Don't lose that bolt, whatever you do. So now you'll be able to just slide the brake shoes backwards a bit. You want to keep those master cylinders in so you don't have to re-bleed them. So there's your slider pin. See, I'm just gonna clean it up, take the old grease off, and put some new one on. So now that we have it all cleaned up, there's no rust on it, so I won't be using the wire brush, but if there were rust, I'd be using it. So what I'm going to do is put a bit of grease on it. No, I'm not going to put too much on it. Just put enough on it. So far, no pin has seized up, and I've been putting this one on. Been successful with it, so keep using it until it doesn't work. Slide it back in. Bring everything back. See, it moves freely. That's good. Then you can just put your bolt back on. Don't tighten it up right now. Let it pivot on there so you can do your bottom bolt. Take the bottom bolt out. Alright, there's the bolt. Should just be able able to slide that outwards a bit and pull my sliding pin out. There you go. I'm gonna clean it up. Alright guys, so I changed the angle. I turned the wheels left just for you guys to see the bolts. On the back you wouldn't be able to see them, but anyway. So there's your top one and then your bottom one. Okay, you guys got a better angle. So I cleaned it all up. This one didn't have any rust as well. This grease works very good. Just apply a bit on. That's it. Slide your little boot back on. Make sure it clips on the bottom, eh? That. Slide your pin back in. Usually, so I clean the hole a bit, but I don't have a brush that can go inside, so just clean it with your rag as much as you can. There you go. Bolt back in.
Oh, plus fort parce que la pluie est plus forte.
Alright guys, so now you can tighten your bolts back up. Do your bottom one. There you go. Your slider service is done on your brakes. Alright guys, so now that we're done lubricating our slider pins, make sure to always check your brake pads and all the rest of the hardware in here, that it's in good working condition. Next step we're going to do is reinstall the tire. Once you reinstall the tire, make sure you torque everything to specs, okay? So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep going on this. Alright guys, so I always apply a bit of Never Seas on the rim itself where it touches the rotor itself, okay? So the rim doesn't bind to the rotor, you can't take it off. And never put any C's on your studs. Do not put any C's on your studs. Alright, we're good to go. Guys, so I just keep going in this rainy day, but I'll let you guys go. I'll be doing the rear tire. I've done the other side already, so thanks for watching guys. It's been a blast.